welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, what's up? Welcome. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys a little mini dance technique dance combo. Little mini dance technique dance. What am I saying? I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. A little mini dance combo. That's it. And if you guys are here for something else, stay tuned because that's coming up too. Okay, so picking up from the last combo from our last video, we just finished 7 and 8. Leading with your left foot, ball changing with your right. And 1, kick, 2 and 3, looking, sitting on 4. That right arm comes up, shaking 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And you're sitting in it and you're doing choreography each time. You're gonna chenille to the right, 1, 2, while you lead looking that way, and then when you circle, face front, out, 5, 6, down 3, 4, up 5, 6. Then you're breaking when you're ball changing again, right, left as you break. So, and break, and 7 and 8. So it's kind of like deodorant stick, but we're doing like bladed hands. 7, 8. You're going to prepare 1, 2, pirouette, 3, 4, out and cross, kind of in a big plie, and 5, 6, and we're going to step back with the right foot. 7, 8, prepare. And then we're going to do a low chenille calypso, and then you're rolling to the floor. Ooh, did you get that? So low chenille calypso, rolling to the floor, up, here, 5 and 6 looking, 7 and 8, and 1. And that's pretty much it.
Oh, hello there. We interrupt your weekly scheduled program for this very important announcement. The announcement of this year's victors. Let's get started, shall we? I don't know which one. This one. And your victor is Diamond Jewels. Congratulations to you, Diamond Jewels, for winning prize number 1. And for prize number 2 shall be... This is so exciting, even for me, darlings. And your victor shall be... Oh. This is your victor here. Okay, wrong side. Very open. Jessica PEÑA, and this was your second entry. This one was from YouTube. That means you also entered it Instagram. Wow, looks like your double dip paid off, darling. Now I'll get a move on if I was you, if you want to keep your prize. You did enter twice, so you might want to keep that. And now the third and final prize. Shuffling, 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 shuffling. Feeling it, I'm feeling it. The papers are getting a bit stuck together, but I'm feeling it. Mixing them, washing them like macaroni and cheese. This one is calling me out. Let's see. Instagram. Not Instagram, darling. KMT_WAD Jet. What Jet? Congratulations, KMT. You have 24 hours, darling, to reach out to me. Otherwise, your prize goes to someone else. I'll get a move on if I was you. If you volunteered as a tribute and did not succeed as a victor, fear not. There will be other opportunities. Congratulations to the victors. Thank you for joining, and may the odds be ever in your favor.
When you step back, we're stepping with that right foot. Right, left, prepare with that right foot to do that low chenille calypso. And if you don't know what a calypso is, it's like a jeté. You like go straight, and this back leg comes back in an attitude, and your hands are kind of just like rolling. If you want to release your upper back, you can. Make it nice and pretty. If you combine this combo with the other combo, you've got a nice, really long dance. Hi, Tutu! Hi, Tutu! So who wants to try with music? Ooh, you stretch this foot.
Waiting for. I'll be
watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini combo, and you guys can, my gift to you, you can take it, make it your own, use it if you got nothing else going on in your brain. Hope you guys are all staying safe and healthy during this crazy trying time, and good luck to everybody who is continuing the audition season. And a big congratulations to all of my winners. You have 24 hours to contact me to claim your prize. Otherwise, I will have to give it to somebody else. So please just keep posted on that. I will check you guys in my next one. Bye. Try to hide it, fake it, I can't pretend anymore. I only wanna die in love, and how I turned you my world. When all is said and done, you believe God is a woman and die.